Okay, let's talk about Naked, guys. This is really important for the next week, for Tuesday, after the price jump. What's happened, guys? Are we gonna see the price jumping again, the $1, or this is it? The price will go down again. We're gonna discuss the fundamental, the technical analysis, and the price target, and where we have to the market maker will buy, and we can capitalize on this movement. So without further ado, press the like button and let's get right to it. Look exactly what's happening, guys. We have the sell-off because, as we said, guys, this triangle really have important value for us. And we said the last time, if we just have a closing candle here, we're gonna see the price go gravitate around the support here, around the 0.60, 0.59, and that's what we did. And we saw a buying pressure happening here. And again, if you new here, we already talked about the rejection here, guys, and congrats about people who just took a profit here, because this is where we said the rejection will happen. And again, I got a lot of questions from my Patreon and about the re-entering, because the price was here, and always say, guys, here is still not confirmation. You sell around the resistance, don't buy. And we don't have a confirmation candle, as you see here. If we go into 4-hour chart, we don't have a confirmation full candle above, and that's why we're trending down. In fundamental way, guys, the price went up before because we have a good the yearly meeting, shareholder meeting, and they have really good news, and the investor was happy by the result and all the fundamental for the Naked. That's why we see the price went up. However, guys, Naked right now mixed up with Wall Street bet, so the price right now is hyped, and the people just sold around the resistance level. For fundamental, we can't predict this because, as I said, the fundamental was good, and the investor actually bought, and the price went up, and everybody think the price will go to $1. However, in technical, you see, that's why I don't like to rely just on the fundamental, guys. I think the technical with it to conform, to have a more conform strategy, and at least have more probability. That's what we work here, guys. We can predict the future 100%. However, we can lower the margin of error. That's it, guys. So that's what happened. That's why I took my profit here, and I told my hunters to take a profit here, because we have a technical level to test, and that's why we went down. So right now, what's gonna happen? The technical level right now, after we break from this triangle, guys, we need to hold above the 0.59, simple as that, by the next week, Tuesday, okay? And if we bounce from this level, there is a big chance, big probability of just holding above this level, guys, and just consolidate here. Just mark my word, guys, we're gonna see a test again around this area, okay? Around give or take around the 0.63, okay? And 0.64. We're gonna see a big rejection here again. There is a test gonna happen by the next week, and if not by the next the other week, around the 0.64, because we didn't test the resistance right now. Before is the support, right now this is resistance, okay? Even if we got rejected here, we're gonna see a consolidation before the break, okay? We need to fuel the rocket, because we have a lot of selling pressure here. We need to load, we need a lot of investors to come in to overcome the selling pressure around this area, okay? And here we have to protect our support, simple as that. And again, guys, if you want pre-market update to for Naked and whatever stock you actually demand of us, you can go and Patreon in comment section below, and you choose which tier you want, and one of the tier you can actually ask me which stock you want to be reviewed before the market opens, so you'll be ready to hunt it. And again, one-on-one meeting with me to discuss your portfolio if you have you want to build a strategy for some stock that you already own, or lower your risk, or you have I don't know, to maximize your gain for some stocks, because a lot of my hunters, they just buy the stock and they just stuck, because even the price go up, they never know where they take a profit. Then the price will go down on all the profit that they see into the portfolio, I don't know, 50,000, 40,000, and went down to nothing, or even worse, go to red. So they kick themselves out and they go revenge trading, looking for another stock that will jump like 50 100%, and this is not happening every time. And this is where the wheel will get like turning, and they be in like in red after red, and they lose after lose from just one decision. So that's why we're gonna talk about it if you join us in Patreon, and we're trying to solve this kind of problem so you never actually make the problem even worse. So we're gonna go to the source, solve it, so you never do it again. So again, guys, hopefully you have a nice weekend and happy Labor Day, and join us again. Put your notifications so you never miss any of my future updates for Naked. I will keep you updated for sure, and see you in the next update.